there are projects that will provide a return, but it's not considered market rate, particularly in emerging economies where you layer on political risk. Or sometimes the kind of capital that's required would add on to debt burden, and the country is not willing to take that. This is another great place for philanthropy, particularly in partnership with public institutions, to think about technical assistance for domestic institutions that don't face the currency risk hurdles, for example, seeding project prep facilities like we've seen with CSAF or ACP. But I also think there's a role for philanthropy to do business planning around potential new products like sustainability-linked bonds, transition finance as an asset class, experimentation. And then finally, I mean, there are the hardest but necessary projects which will not give a rate of return that's going to be market acceptable, but which are critical, like we've heard over and again, like grids. And so that's, again, where government and public policy and philanthropy needs to partner to enable it. And in all of these choices, again, going to granularity and locality, thinking about how we partner with people on the ground to ensure that the communities are engaged early on and that the projects meet the needs of who's on the ground. But in the end, our choices are actually quite simple. We can either reform existing institutions by thinking about what are the new products and policies that existing institutions can roll out, or we can build new institutions that meet the moment.